Do you know there are different ways to write multi-line strings? Let's see them now. Way number 1. Use triple quotes. We can use triple quotes to represent multi-line strings. For example, in this specific example, I have represented this multi-line string with the help of these triple quotes, and I've assigned this multi-line string to this variable text. Way number 2 is to use backslashes. We can also use backslashes if we want to represent multi-line strings. Like in this example, I have divided this multi-line string into multiple strings where each string is enclosed within double quotes. Also, I have added \n at the end of each string except the last string, and I have added these two backslashes at the end of these two strings. This is how I am representing this multi-line string. Now here comes way number 3, which is to use parentheses. We can use parentheses to enclose a multi-line string, like in this example. Here I have enclosed this multi-line string within parentheses. Do you know how C++ got its name? Let's find out. C++ is the successor of C programming language, that is, it came after C programming language and it has more features compared to C programming language. It comes with object-oriented features which were missing in C programming language. Due to this reason, it was named initially as C with classes. Later, it was renamed to C++, where this ++ operator was borrowed from C programming language. This ++ operator means increment by 1, and this clearly indicates that C++ is the successor of C programming language and it has more features compared to C programming language. So this is how C++ got its name. Want to learn C++? Follow our C++ programming course. Is C++ statically typed or dynamically typed? Let's find out. C++ is a statically typed language, which means type is known at compile time. And this means the type information of a variable is known to the compiler at compilation time. This means if we define a variable of a specific type, we cannot assign a different kind of value to it. For example, here I have defined this variable age of type integer. Therefore, this variable can hold an integer value. But if we try to assign a different kind of value, let's say a string to this variable, then we will get error from the compiler. We are getting error from the compiler because compiler already knows the type of this variable. This variable is of type integer, therefore it can only hold an integer value. If we try to assign a different kind of value to it, then compiler will throw an error. Now let's discuss some advantages and disadvantages of C++ being statically typed. The obvious advantage is early error detection.